If you have a Whirlpool Duet steam and you get the SUD or F35 error on this little display here, that means there's something wrong with the water pressure. Make sure you're getting water to the machine. Make sure you open up that and check the drain, make sure that's clean. And if all else fails, you're gonna wanna pop the cover off. In the back there will be several holes, 3 of them. 1, 2, another one down there. And you need a 6mm ratchet to get that off. And then once you get that off, the cover will just slide back and it'll just pop right off real easy. The things I did was, this is the pressure sensor, this black thing in here, and there's like a little hose connected to it. You're gonna wanna, with the machine unplugged, pull this off. It's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. And you wanna twist this forward and out, and then it'll pull out. And you just wanna, make sure it's there, tap it really hard, blow into it, clean it. Same thing for the little tube. Put that all back together. Then you're gonna come over here, and you're gonna wanna check if this is all cruddy. It probably is. If it is, you're gonna want to clean it up. I cleaned it up, believe it or not, this is better than it was. The problem is, since this can't switch when it needs to do different things in the wash cycle, you'll notice they're numbered, different stages, different wash types. So if it can't go to a certain point to start the wash, it's gonna give you that error. It's gonna be, hey, I'm not getting water, I'm not getting my thing. So you may have to give it a little love when you go to initiate the wash cycle, just kind of push it, and then you may hear it click, and once it moves more freely, you're good to go. But don't force it too hard, you don't wanna break it. And I mean, here we are, 8 minutes into a 50-minute wash cycle, and it's going fine. So that's how I fixed it. F35 code, SUD error, no problem.